The hottest trend is here. Take a guess. It's overthinking. Yes, I'm not kidding. It really is overthinking because overthinking is so damn hot. Imagine this. You're about to go on a date, but instead of dressing up, curling your hair, spraying your favorite perfume, and feeling like a diva that you are sitting on your couch overthinking. What if he doesn't like me? What if he thinks I'm weird? What if I spill the drink all over my dress? Blah, blah, blah. During the date, guess what? You actually spill your drink and the back of your head is not even curled. Oopsie! In this video, I'm about to tell you how to overthink like a queen and not end up in a messy situation. Hi, I am Kanjal and I make videos about self-care, beauty and life advice to help you become the hottest version of your life and level the F up. And here are 3 secrets to help you overthink like a pro. Secret 1. Turn worries into ideas. Hear me out. Instead of thinking, what if he doesn't like me? Or what if I'm just not good enough for him? Think like this instead. What if I look so damn gorgeous that I fall in love with myself all over again and like you're not even thinking about that guy anymore because you're just there to have fun? By changing your thoughts, overthinking isn't just about burning out or feeling sad and just being in this negative energy. You change the script, and now we're overthinking in a way that will benefit us and make us hotter, prettier, and confident. And that makes you magnetic. Second secret, be a little delusional. I'm not telling you to go crazy on the delusional part. Right now, you're like, he has to like me. Why wouldn't he like me? I'm the prettiest girl at the party. No, that's the wrong way. I think I'm pretty, I think I'm beautiful, and other people doesn't have to tell me that. And this right here is the queen mentality. She doesn't think the whole world is gonna fall in love with her. Of course not. That's not possible. She's so focused in her own mentality, in her own little world, to even focus on what other people are doing or other people think about her. So go ahead, real quickly, tell yourself, I am gorgeous, I am beautiful, I am magnetic, I am divine. If you like the video till now, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And now let's move on to the third secret. Overthink the positive. Many people, when they think about overthinking, it's like always the negative ones. But instead, we're going to spice it up and think about the positive. Overthink the good things. You don't always need to think about, do I look good or do I feel pretty enough or are people gonna like me? That's the negative part. Or is he cheating on me or blah 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 blah. That is the negative part. We're gonna switch it up and think about the positive. Think like, I'm gonna have so much fun and enjoy myself so much regardless of the date working out or not, because that is not something I can control. Think like, what if we are meant to be together? But. This is where most people make the biggest mistake. They get so obsessed with trying to make people love them instead of enjoying themselves and being present. Instead of attaching to the situation or obsessing over people's opinion that they like you or they don't like you, you need to accept the fact that there might be rejections. You will hear the word no. But what we can control is what we tell ourselves, what we make about the situation, and rewire our brain. It's not gonna always work out, things will go wrong, and you will not always like the situation that you'll be in. But that is the good part, because rejections are redirection. It also means that that person or that situation was just not meant for you, and there is something amazing, way more amazing, way better waiting for you, and that is not your limit. So instead of being scared of the rejection, go for it. Just go for it. You need to make your mind so used to the rejections that you don't even fear them. So yes, overthinking isn't an enemy if you use it in the right way. Flip the script today and overthink the good things and trust yourself. Yes, it is very important that when you're being delusional and when you're not used to it, you will doubt yourself many times. But that is the real challenge. You need to be so firm and actually believe. You do not let the doubt take over you. And yes, that's how I do it every single day. I have taught my brain to overthink the good thing always, and what it taught me, it was just not for me. And that way, I had so much peace, I'm so much calmer, and I'm just enjoying my life. So, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much.